Hey guys, this is the room tour of the luxury Grand Principe in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. When you come in, you get this view right here and a big mirror. Who doesn't like a big mirror, especially when you're getting dressed and stuff? Then you come to the right, you have me, and then you have all the magnifying mirrors and dryers, two double sink bathroom. You have the banyo. I like that because it's separated. And then you have the rainforest shower. Pretty cool. I love it. I love that everything is marble. Marble. Look at this. Gonna get some use out of this jacuzzi tub. And then when you pan up, you have just a view of what's going on the other end of the room. And it has the curtains also. Then you come out, you have the closet with the safe. And then we also have a closet with two, oh, you can't even see in here. Where's the light? With two robes and two, what the thing called? House shoes. Iron and all of that in there. You got your luggage rack. And wait for this. All of this niceness. This king size bed with sheer curtain canopies. Beautiful. Look at somebody in the mirror. Look. I mean, look. All right, and we pan back out. To the left of me, we have the flat inch screen TV. I don't know how many inches, but then we have your coffee, water, rum, vodka, and then if you come down below, we do have your red stripe beer, Coke, some orange soda, some more water, and some banana chips. All inclusive. You can eat how much you want. Then we come over here to the living room area, which is pretty cool. This room is just amazing. This camera doesn't even speak for what I'm seeing versus what y'all are seeing.
I think you did a very great job.
Me? Bucket it?
Picking it up.
And then we have the balcony. Let's check it out, y'all. Two chairs, and then we have the two lounge chairs. We are actually in the sea view level. Beautiful, right? Amazing. It is raining a little bit, but who cares? You're in Jamaica. So what? So what? Yep, beautiful. We're gonna make some magic happen out here. Yes. And in here too. AJ's gonna have plenty hours of sleep right there. Say something for the people, no?
How you doing?
You want to say happy birthday?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! But yep, this is our room tour. We made it to Jamaica finally, right?
Yep.
We made it by God's grace too. Bye.